Good afternoon. I'm Mayor Ann McInerney-Ogle here at the City of Vancouver, and today is Monday, March 16th. Before I share an update on the city's response for COVID-19, I want to recognize that this is a time of great stress and anxiety. The swiftness of this situation has emerged globally, and it's stunning. In the last 2 months, we've gone from not knowing any cases of infection to a full pandemic. And this sudden change has been very unsettling to everyone, and our care and compassion for each other and those that we serve is critical that we navigate all these new challenges that will arise in the next few weeks. I wanted to give an update on what we've been doing. The city's response to COVID-19 has been evolving quickly, but our top priority are the city's employees and our community. In accordance to guidance from our public health agencies, we've developed plans to address all of the needs of our employees while ensuring that we continue city operations. A lot has happened in the last few days, so I'd like to give you an update on what actions the city is taking in response to stopping the spread of the COVID-19 in our community. Last week, the city issued a declaration of civil emergency. That declaration is a preparative measure, and it allows the city to move swiftly and legally in our response through streamlining processes and providing access to the federal, state, and local emergency resources and funds. Let's talk about city facilities and services. As of today, all city facilities are now closed to the public. That includes City Hall, the Public Works Operations Center, the Water Resources Education Center, and the Utility Customer Services. Also at West Precinct, the Concealed Pistol Licensing Office, and we'll close everything until April 30th. All city permitting services can be conducted online using e-plans. Fire safety inspections will continue, and the construction and building permitting will continue. In our Parks and Recreation, Furstenberg, Marshall, Lupke, all of those centers are closed. All the classes, programs, leagues, meetings are all postponed. Parks and Rec will work to credit ongoing pass holders for this remaining period of time that the centers are closed. And a little bit of a change, private rentals of those facilities that are going to be taking place during the closure, those have been canceled and will be fully refunded. Spring break camps are canceled, and again, registered participants will receive a full refund. Meals on Wheels has changed a little bit. They've discontinued the meal service at Lupke until further notice, and those to-go meals that were usually in the lobby at Lupke Center, they will no longer be there. To inquire about meal delivery, please call 503-736-6325. All of our parks and trails currently remain open, and that provides public space so you can be active and participating, but remember your social distancing. And those one-time volunteer events are suspended until further notice. Let's talk about water bills and utilities. The city will not turn off water during this time. We are suspending all water shutoffs for non-payment and assisting those customers experiencing financial hardship with making arrangements for future payments. Qualifying low-income customers can also apply for some of the assistance through the Utilities Help to Others program. We ask those customers to get in contact with our utility service, and here's another phone number, 360-487-7999. There's a website that will show up on this video also. Utility payments can be made online or by phone or by check, and we have payment drop boxes throughout the city. There's one at 2323 General Anderson Avenue and the one behind City Hall. At our Navigation Center, it remains open at this time. They have modified hours, and they have put a limit on the attendance, and that's all under development right now. But the Navigation Center is still open. For City Council, usually we meet 4 times a month, but we're going to be holding it twice a month instead of those 4 times. All of our citizen forums are suspended, so there will not be any citizen forums during this time. You can still testify on the agenda items and on our public hearings, and we've set up a conference call. You need to register prior to the hearing, and all of that information is on the city's website. Our City Council meeting changes will be publicized on our website and our social media, and the meetings will still be broadcast on CVTV and live on Facebook. How can you help? Well, more than ever, support and donate to all of Vancouver's nonprofits, particularly those that take care of our neighbors' immediate needs like food and utilities and shelters. Help our small businesses keep their doors open. You know that the governor closed all the bars and restaurants for the next couple weeks, but you can go and order to go and have deliveries and purchase gift cards for the future. You could shop online to support all of our retails. And then connect. Social distancing is important to prevent the spread of the virus, but you can still pick up the phone and check in on your older neighbors and families and those who live at home alone. Offer to get some supplies for them because they're isolating themselves and can't do it themselves. But please stay home as much as possible. Say thank you to the grocery store employees. I'm sure you've heard all of the stories out there. We have pharmacies and businesses supporting us through this very hectic time. I'm sure they'd love to hear a good word. So in closing, this is a swiftly changing situation, and I ask everyone in our community to be flexible, be patient and understanding as we adapt our operations and meet the demands of this very quick changing environment that we have. I remind everyone to be safe, practice good hygiene, to get help if you're sick, but to look out for one another. This is a challenging time, and we're dealing with a crisis that we've never been faced with before, and we ask for your patience as we respond to this ever-changing situation. We'll continue to do everything we can to keep you updated as the situation evolves. Be sure to check the city's website. Clark County Public Health Agency also has a website with all the coronavirus updates. But thank you for doing your best to keep everyone safe and healthy as we navigate this ever-changing situation together. Thank you so much.